How to add friends in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can add another player to your friend list in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Firstly, go ahead and open the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game, and the Add Friend option will only be available after you complete some levels. After you're completed, you can then go to the top right corner once you're inside the game, tap on Menu, and in the Menu tab, select Friends. After you're inside the Friends tab, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the office name or user ID you want to add. Once you're inside the Friends tab, go ahead and tap on Add on the left, and in the search bar at the top right, enter the office name or user ID of the person you are trying to add. Go ahead and write down their name in the text box and find the person you want to add from the search results. Go ahead and tap the plus icon right next to their name in order to send them the friend invitation. Follow through the steps and then repeat the process for every person you want to add in your friend list. And once they accept your invitation or friend request, you'll be able to be friends in the game. After they accept, they will be inside the friend list tab. And that's how you can easily add friends in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Now you can connect with other players and enjoy the game's social features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.